Okay, so this is day 2 of the rehoming of our girls. As you can see, we had a couple of squabbles yesterday evening over sleeping arrangements, etc. But all in all, it's been very quiet, really. They've a few of them, as you can see, have ventured in and out, and I'm going to take you in now. You have a closer look at them. We had one that was trying to fly out and escape today. Hello everybody. Say hello. This one here, the darker one, we've actually named as Pudding, and that darker one in there we've nicknamed Suet. These ones haven't quite got their names yet, we haven't really seen what they're like, but they're already forming pairs. We seem to have 3 pairs of 2. The one here with the bald back, we tentatively named Bjork because she was quite aggressive yesterday towards me and anyone who got near her. But they seem to be doing alright. They've had a few squabbles and stuff, so day 2 is going alright. As you can see, they're eating. You know, they're still finding their feet. They're not used to standing on grass like this one down here is. Yeah, darling. But they're getting a bit more used to me walking in. I'll just have a little check. No, we've had 2 eggs this morning, haven't we? And of course, this mob have been stamping their authority, but they're all alright. I'll have a quick look in the nest box, see if there's any eggs in here. Yep, 1. Hello you, please don't attack. Hello. Oh, you're quite well feathered. This one. And here we are. What you can expect when you rehome battery hens. Lots of these. So lovely consistency on the shell. No problems health wise there. And no health problems there either. Anyway, so that was day 2. Catch you on the next one. Hi guys, welcome back to day 3 of our new life. As you can see, we've got some serious mingling going on. There's a bit of henpecking going on. I think you might see some any second. But nothing too violent, not like the first day. Mop Top here has asserted herself. And Rudy, who's around here somewhere, she's been a bit. But as you can see, day 3, and the girls are all outside. There's another one been named now, which is that one over there towards the back of the hutch. That's Jasper. So far, that's our granddaughter's Ellie's chicken. Jasper, that one just over there. And we've got Pudding and Suet. And the others are still to be determined. So, just a little update for day 3. Just to let you know, they're all doing well. They're eating, drinking. And I think this time around we're not going to have to do any separating, which is lovely. So, we'll catch you tomorrow. Hi everyone, welcome to day 5 of our new life. We're just going to take a walk over, see how the girls are getting on today. We didn't have any problems really yesterday, a few little henpecks, but nothing too bad at all to report, so I'm just going to come in with them now. Oh, there's the old girls, oh, and there we go, there's one of the new ones. She's in with the old girls, so that's a brilliant sign. Everyone looks quite happy and contented in here. Take a little quick walk. Oh, hello girls. Alright. The dark one on the right hand side looking facing us has just moved her head around the corner. That's Pudding, and she is the boss of all of those, the new girls. And last night she had a standoff and stood up to the old girls. And that was that. It was all over and done with in about 30 seconds. So nothing looks like to report here. We'll come round and see. There seems to be one missing, but I think I saw one go this way. There she is. Hello, darling. Oh, that's Jasper. My granddaughter's named this one Jasper. You alright, are you? So let's have a look, see what we got in the way of eggs, if we got any. We've been getting 4 from the 6 of them, and so far today 2 from the new girls and 1 from one of the old girls. And that's a good sign as well, because the old girls, which is that green egg there, the old girls, you could sneeze and that would stop them laying for a week because they're so skittish. So if they're laying as well, or one of them's laying, and they had pretty much come to the end of their days for laying, because they're all at least 4. So, alright darlings, hello. You're not going to fly up at me like you did yesterday, are you? Still haven't got your name yet, have we? Not yet. As you can see, the down on their feathers? Well, that's a sign that they're going to go into molt, which is good. So they'll molt, probably stop laying for a little while, and then the protein will be used to re-feather these beautiful little creatures. Because they are in a sorry old state when you get them. Anyway, say goodbye to your public chickens. We'll catch you in the next one.